Welcome back to the channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a ribeye steak in a cast iron skillet. So we're going to cook this one just like the restaurants do. Keep it flavorful. We're not going to use all those seasonings. You know what I mean? We're going to keep it simple, but I promise you it's going to come out great. We're just going to use that salt, that pepper, that butter. Hey, let's get it in. Now for the true taste test. Nice crust, real nice. Forgive me. Let me enjoy this, and I'll come right back. All right. Now, listen, there was a nice crust on the steak. I like to cook my meat like medium. I don't like it rare or nothing like that. Just a little bit of the, once the redness goes away, that's the way I like my meat. You can cook yours how you like it, you know, get your cook times together. Obviously a little less to get you more towards the rare side. It's very, very good. I recommend it with a baked potato, and I made it with broccoli and cheese, which happened to be my favorite. Man, just try it. You know, easy recipe. And for you men out there that, excuse me, you know what, I'm gonna say it this way. There's a lot of people out there that are not familiar with the kitchen. You know what I mean? This is just an easy meal, you know, to put together. At least cooking a steak is. Cook time only took about 6 minutes really, you know. So outside of that, I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna ask you guys to leave a comment, any suggestions, you know, leave that down below. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And peace, I'm out.